right, let's talk one of my favorite types of desserts and charts, donuts. Well, not my favorite chart, but a really good dessert. So a donut is like a pie, right? Where it shows you circularly how something is going. Let me give you a little bit word of advice. Pie charts, donut charts, usually charts that have the names of foods in them, lollipop, not the best. We don't use them a lot, but they're here. They're easy to understand. A donut is just like a pie chart, but there's just this big hole in the center missing. What you do not want to use a donut for is usually performance over time. When we're looking at something over time, we look linearly left to right. A donut is better if you're trying to compare types of countries, names of people or places or things like that. What you also have to be cautious about with a donut, because you have even less area, is if you have too many values. So for instance, this right now is just 4 companies. It's really easy to understand. And all I have to do, I put the name in here, slice name, and the value determining how big the slice is right here in slice values. Pretty straightforward. But look at this. Let's say I put in country. It's going to look like this. And it's crazy. It's too many things, right? And that's why donut chart is not the best thing to do. But it's there. Let me show you a trick though. You see how we're only showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever the numbers, and then everything else is grouped into other? There is a way to change how we want to identify what other means. I'm going to go to general right here. You can see here, maximum slices for other. So right now, I don't know how many I have in here, but let's say I were to do like 50. Now it opens up, and now I can break this out even more to other. So that's kind of the little trick behind using a donut. Again, if you want to, go for it. I think there are much better ones out there, but it's there because it's easy to understand. Hey, and if you thought that was cool, I got a surprise for you. So if you don't know what I do, I teach people how to get very, very good at Domo, and I have an online course. So if you go to dashboarddudes.com, you can get a trial of my course. And here I have a specific course called 201, where I go over all the ETL functions and all the chart types, just like what we just talked about. And this way you can see how I do it. You can practice. The whole point of the course is they're made of 5-10 minute videos, little bite-sized chunks. So you could watch me and do it during break, before work, after work. You can binge it. You could do whatever you want. But the method is you watch me do it, then you do it. And we're going to go back and forth like that. And that's how you're going to learn. You get your hands dirty. Hands-on experience is the Dashboard Dudes method. In addition, at this course, you get access to actually all of my other courses. That means you get Domo 101, 201, 301, 401, bricks, data science stuff, App Studio, distribution, whatnot. You also get 30 minutes with me free every single month, where you can ask me a question if you want to. And you get access to my video FAQ. So if you have a question about how to do something, chances are I might have made a video on how to answer already. You have access to that. And you get my emails that only come in once a month. I'm just showing you the latest and greatest with Domo or Data World, and it's just to keep you up to date. Cool. Give it a shot. Check out the trial, and I hope it helps you.